Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious fish cakes with canned tuna. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You'll need 2 cans of tuna, drained thoroughly, 1/4 cup of mayonnaise, and 1 egg. Also have 1/4 cup of breadcrumbs, some fresh parsley or dill, a small diced onion, and a lemon for zest and juice. These basic items are all you need to start this easy recipe. Now let's combine everything. In a medium bowl, flake the drained tuna. Add the mayonnaise, the beaten egg, breadcrumbs, and the finely diced onion. Stir in the lemon zest, a small squeeze of lemon juice, and your chosen fresh herbs. Mix until everything is well combined. Then, gently form the mixture into 8 to 10 small, uniform patties about 1 inch thick. Ensure they hold their shape. It's time to cook our fish cakes. Heat about 2 tablespoons of your preferred cooking oil in a non-stick skillet over medium heat. Carefully place the patties into the hot pan, making sure not to overcrowd it. Cook for 3 to 4 minutes on each side, until they are beautifully golden brown and crispy. The internal temperature should reach 165 degrees Fahrenheit for safety and best texture. Your delicious tuna fish cakes are now ready to enjoy. Serve them warm, perhaps with a fresh lemon wedge for an extra zing. They pair wonderfully with a crisp green salad or a creamy coleslaw. For an added flavor boost, offer a dipping sauce like homemade tartar sauce or a spicy sriracha mayonnaise. These easy-to-make fish cakes are perfect for a quick, satisfying lunch or a light dinner.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.